Alright, can you see that line right there? The water's boiled down, the sauce is boiled down, it's getting more concentrated, more flavor. Right now is a good time to start the rice. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Amuzies. Today we are going to make a special dish. A lot of you don't know, but I used to live in Hawaii. I lived there for about 4 years, mainly during middle school and right before I started high school. And this is adobo chicken. It's a Filipino dish and it's absolutely delicious. It's going to sound really gross. How you cook it, how do you make it? You marinate the chicken in like vinegar and soy sauce, and then you cook it in that marinade, and it's just so good served over rice. You got to try it out. Believe me, it's delicious. Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to turn this into this. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the comments, or maybe just a link. Normally you want white vinegar. I like apple cider vinegar. I like to make it my own. It's delicious. I double it. We double everything. We like leftovers, you know. A lot of people don't like leftovers. I don't get it. We're a leftovers kind of family. Maybe it's because it's how we grew up, you know. You don't let anything go to waste. So I don't have 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, but the recipe actually calls for white vinegar, so it's okay. I just mix it up a little bit. At 2 cups, you need half a cup of soy sauce. So half a cup, that's okay though. We're not worried about particulars when you're making something like this. Really not. A little bit of minced garlic. We cheat. We don't mince our own garlic fresh. We kind of just buy this stuff. It smells really garlicky, really bad, but it does the trick. Again, I'm sure the link says you need to measure it out. I don't measure much. You know, you just don't need to in my book. The bay leaf is so good. I'm gonna put 2 in there. Oh, it smells so good. Here, smell. Salt and pepper. Should look like this. Gross, right? Then you want to mix it up. Right, after you get your marinated mixed up, you need to marinate the chicken. The recipe calls for about 20 minutes, but I'm probably going to do 2 hours because we got things to do. So it is what it is. Roughly 2 hours later, and I'm back. You know, you're not supposed to, the recipe calls for you to marinate this chicken for about 20 minutes in the refrigerator, but I marinated it on the counter for about 2 hours because the chicken was still frozen. Now it's been marinating good. You want to save this sauce. Do not dump this sauce. What you're going to do, you're going to heat up some oil, then pat dry your chicken, and just brown the chicken for maybe, till it's a good nice brown. I don't know, maybe 5-7 minutes.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm trying to take off as much moisture as I can. Paper towel, or you can just take it off and just place the chicken in the skillet and let it brown. And hopefully it fits. It's a lot of chicken. Like I said, we're not a big family, but we like our portions, you know. Especially Deanna. She always eats up all the good food, man. I get like 2 servings. She's skinny fat. That's what she is. Alright, so I browned the chicken. This is what it looks like. Now you want to flip it over and brown the other side for about a little bit of time, 5, 6, 7 minutes. So this is going to seem counterintuitive, but you're going to add the marinade that you made, you marinated your chicken with, and a cup of water to the chicken. Bring it to a boil, and turn it down, bring it to a simmer, and let it cook. I'm telling you, when you do this, you do it right, it's going to make your chicken fall off the bone, and it's going to taste oh so good. So good. You want to turn it down, bring it to a simmer. Alright, can you see that line right there? The water is boiled down, the sauce is boiled down, it's getting more concentrated, more flavor. Right now is a good time to start the rice. You're going to eat this over rice. Deanna, don't you love this? Oh, look at our dirty house. Oh my goodness. Tore up. Sorry, that's not for YouTube, but oh well. It's real life here, I guess. What you gonna eat?
Chicken.
Some chicken?
Rice.
Chicken and rice? It's adobo chicken.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's an ink.
It's good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mama's gonna make us plates. Tell me how you feel about this. Tell me how you feel about this chicken adobo.
It's so good. It's the best one yet.
Really?
Really, it really is. It's super good.
Good. I need to work some more.
How's it taste, baby?
Ice good.
Tastes good.
Yeah. Oh, hot.
It's hot. You gotta blow it. Good job, baby.
Well, if you like that video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. And what else we done? Oh, the notifications. Yeah. See you later.